Few motorcycles have earned the legendary status of the Honda XR650L. The legend is return. Yes, that's right. For decades, it's been the go-to choice for riders who want one machine that can conquer dirt trails and city streets with equal confidence. In 2025, Honda brings the XR650L back once again, unchanged in spirit, yet still unmatched in versatility. Welcome to Ride Radar, where we explore the bikes that keep adventure alive. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2025 XR650L remains Honda's bulletproof 644 cubic centimeter air-cooled single-cylinder engine. It's a true old-school thumper, reliable, simple, and easy to maintain. The 5-speed transmission delivers smooth shifts, and the engine's broad torque curve makes it equally happy crawling through rocky terrain or cruising down the highway. While some might wish for more modern updates, fans of the XR650L know that its simplicity is exactly what makes it great. Suspension and handling. The XR650L rides tall with a long travel suspension setup. 43mm Showa front forks and a Pro-Link rear shock, both offering over 11 inches of travel. This setup gives it serious off-road capability, soaking up rough trails and obstacles with ease. On pavement, the suspension feels soft but stable, making the bike surprisingly comfortable for daily commuting or long weekend rides. Design and build. Honda sticks to its proven formula. The classic red and white color scheme, high front fender, and rugged steel frame remind us of its dirt bike DNA. The seat height remains tall at around 37 inches, giving excellent ground clearance but demanding confidence from shorter riders. Everything about the XR650L screams durability. It's built to be ridden hard and repaired easily, no matter where your adventures take you. Technology and features. In a world filled with traction control, ride modes, and TFT displays, the XR650L stands proudly analog. A simple digital trip meter, halogen lighting, and a carbureted engine keep it refreshingly straightforward. For many riders, this minimalist approach is exactly what makes the XR650L special. It's a machine that lets you focus on the ride, not the electronics. Price and final thoughts. The 2025 Honda XR650L carries forward a legacy of dependability and fun. With an expected price around $6,999, it remains one of the most affordable and capable dual-sport bikes on the market. Sure, it's not the most advanced or powerful, but if you want a motorcycle that can go anywhere, survive anything, and still look cool doing it, the XR650L is hard to beat. Outro. The Honda XR650L may not change much from year to year, but that's the beauty of it. It doesn't need to. It's a machine built for riders who value freedom, simplicity, and adventure above all else. Thanks for tuning in to Ride Radar, where every road and trail tells a story. If you love exploring the world on two wheels, don't forget to subscribe for more motorcycle insights and reviews.